Hello everyone. Before starting the video, I want to give a little info about my previous video. I made a video on designing a fashion croquis, and this is the second part of which has been a long overdue. In this video, I have taken a fashionable red dress and designed it for croquis, and it's a sequenced dress color divided into many shades, and it has been done in many layers, step by step. So let's start it. So the first layer is our background layer. We are naming it layer 1 or main template. So we are going to color each garment on a different layer. So I'm gonna make a bunch of new layer here. The first layer is going to be a top, and the second layer is going to be the skirt. The third new layer is going to be a hair, and the last layer is going to be for the skin. Now it's really important is that the sketch layer is remain on the top, the main template. And now we are going to coloring on the individual layer. So we are putting the main template after the top layer, and then a skirt layer, then hair, and the last one is for a skin. It's really important is that the main template layer remain on the top, then after top layer and skirt layer, hair layer, and the skin layer. Now we have to change some setting. Go to the layer option and then choose multiply. Once we have done that, we are gonna lock our main template layer, so we don't ruin or disturb our main template. Now I'm selecting my top layer and start painting on my top. I'm gonna decrease or increase my brush size and painting on my top. While painting the top, you have to be little careful. So now we select the skirt layer and pick the color and start curling our skirt. We have to be a little careful because here the skirt touches the leg, so that we don't go over on it. So now I'm gonna take a eraser tool and erase the extra color. So now we are going to choose the hair layer and start painting on our hair. So next layer should be our skin. So we will go to the skin layer and we are gonna find ourselves a nice tone color. Want it to be warm and I want to be careful in hair layer and just fill in the face and the neck. Take a little darker shade and color on the skin. Now we can go ahead and add some shading to it. Add shading on this, we are going to use dodge and burn. The burn tool is for shadow and dodge tool for highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and make the brush little bit larger, and I'm gonna lower the exposure by 12%. I'm going to do a little highlight on my dress. So now we are gonna add a little texture on our dress. Select the filter option. Go to the noise, add noise. It's really important to ensure that monochromatic is checked. You can use either uniform or Gaussian. They can give you slightly different pattern, but it's very important that monochromatic is checked, otherwise it's going to add a whole bunch of additional color. Here's the final look. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.